Simply put, free margin is the amount of cash in your account that is available for trading. Say that your account balance is $10,000 and you chose a leverage of 1 to 100. If you do not have any open positions, then the free margin is $10,000. Let's take it one step further. Now say that your balance is still $10,000, but you also bought one lot of EUR/USD at 1.1750. If the current exchange rate of the EUR/USD declines to 1.17, then you have a floating loss of 100,000 times 0.005, which equals $500. The required margin is calculated as 100,000 times 1/100 times 1.1750, which equals $1,175. So the available cash in your account for trading is balance minus margin used plus or minus floating profit and loss, which is 10,000 minus 1,175 minus 500, which equals to $8,325. Or, if you prefer, free margin equals equity minus margin used.